So the long dispute between the JFF and the coaching staff of the Reggae Girls has been rescued for the time being, with the JFF deciding to appoint another former assistant coach, Hubert Busby, as interim head coach, to be assisted by another former assistant, Andrew Price, and they replaced another former assistant, Lauren Donaldson, who had replaced the original head coach, Hugh Menzies, who went missing. You confused? Me too. Of course, all of this is geared towards the final round Olympic qualifying tournament coming up in another 3 weeks. And the confusion aside, it's going to be awfully difficult for the girls to qualify for the Olympic Games. Under normal circumstances, it's hard. And it's going to be even harder with the chopping and changing of the coaching staff and the late preparations. And remember now, these are Olympic qualifiers. And only 2 teams qualify from the CONCACAF region. So the number 51 ranked Jamaica will have to get there ahead of the number 1 ranked World Cup champions USA playing at home, or the number 8 ranked Canada, the number 26 ranked Mexico, or the number 37 ranked Costa Rica. So it's not go easy. But we name Jamaican and nothing no name we can't. But we just paint the bigger picture. Yeah, man, the bigger picture, you see? See that? The bigger picture. Is that big?